Thank you. Almost over, 3 more minutes. I'm Bodo Schmidt with Tetravue and want to show you today what Tetravue does. Machines are naturally blind, and we want to change that. At least so they don't make another terrible Terminator movie. If you look at the world today, you got two sides. You got the real world, where we live in, and the virtual world, where machines work in. And Tetravue is about bringing those two together by digitizing the world in 3D. For machines to see efficiently, you need lots of detail, which means lots of resolution. So let's take a look at the existing technologies today. First, we got all the usual suspects, but they all have the same problem: short range and low resolution. Now, there are some government systems out there that can go long range, but their resolution is even worse. These are the markets that need 3D. Driverless cars, engineering, construction, robotics, multi-billion-dollar markets. But there's a technology gap. None of the existing technology can penetrate these markets, and believe me, they tried. Here's where we come in. Our technology instantly addresses all of those markets, and we have the data to prove it. Tetravue was started in 2008 and was part of a technology incubator program. We have successfully executed $8 million in government funding that allowed us to prove out our technology. So what makes us different? Scaling pixels has always been very challenging for existing companies. They have spent hundreds of millions of dollars and only achieved what's about 160 by 120 pixels. With only $3 million, we have achieved 2 megapixels. So what are we doing differently? Well, the problem is light is fast, really fast. This is about 1 nanosecond or 1 gigahertz. So if you want to sample that, or things that are smaller than that, you need lots of bandwidth. So you can go out and buy a $300,000 oscilloscope, and you can measure 1 pixel. So we're doing things differently, optically. So we insert a single high-speed element in front of the sensor and use the sensor at what it does best, measure intensity. So let me show you where we're going from here. We have built technology prototypes and currently building industrial prototype. And our plans are to develop a commercial camcorder and eventually a low-cost product. In summary, we understand the market opportunities are tremendous. Our technology improves by a factor of 100 in range, resolution, and power consumption. Our technology has been demonstrated and the IP is protected. We're currently seeking Series A funding for productization. Let's make it happen.